Black holes. Black holes remains to be one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in this universe. This mysterious object, black hole, is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiations such as light can escape from it. The idea of a body so massive that even light could not escape from it was briefly proposed by an astronomical pioneer and English clergyman John Michell in 18th century. He was the first who thought of an object in space whose escape velocity is greater than the speed of light. But at that time, no one believed him because no one had ever seen such objects until the first ever image of black hole was captured. That historic day in the field of astronomy was April 10, 2019. This was the day when the astronomers and scientists took the first ever real image of a black hole using telescope and not by using computer generated imaginary. So let us start from beginning. Hello guys, I'm Yashadip Kirnan and you're watching Earth Ethics. So without any further delay, let us start. After John Michell, in 1915, Albert Einstein developed his theory of relativity, stating that gravity does influence the light motion. After that, in year 1919, during the total solar eclipse, Sir Arthur Eddington tested the general theory of relativity which was given by Einstein. His experiments were proudly known as Eddington expeditions. In his experiment, he found that sun's gravity is actually deflecting the light coming from the stars. And also in year 1915, only a few months later of Einstein's general theory of relativity, German physicist and astronomer Karl Schwarzschild found a solution to the Einstein field equation, which described the gravitational field of a point mass and also spherical mass. And this point radius was called as Schwarzschild radius, which was later named as singularity. Singularity means the region in space-time where gravitational field of a celestial body is predicted to become infinite. That means the gravitational field at this point become equal to the speed of light. Now, after conducting so many experiments, scientists believe that there exist such things in nature which has infinite amount of gravity in it. But technically, finding a black hole was a very difficult task because black holes are considered as the perfect black body, which means that no light gets reflected from it, which makes it difficult to see it. So what scientists did is that they observed how strong gravity affects the stars and nearby gases around the black hole and predicted the presence of black hole. Now you would be wondering how black holes are formed. Black holes are formed when the center of a very massive star collapses it upon itself, which causes an supernova explosion. Now, to see a black hole, there was a problem. Despite of major advances of telescope technology, there was no single telescope on Earth that can take a picture of a black hole. Also to take the image of our nearest black hole, that is Proxima Centauri, we would have needed a Earth-sized telescope, which was certainly impossible. So what astronomers did is that they used 8 different telescopes from different parts of the world and kept them in synchronized with each other with a very powerful atomic clock. They called this telescope as Event Horizon Telescope. These 8 telescopes together had same capability as we build a telescope as large as our entire Earth. And this is how astronomers took the first image of a black hole. This black hole is a supermassive black hole which lives in the center of Messier 87 galaxy. This supermassive black hole is about 6.5 billion times massive as our sun. The most interesting about this image is that it exactly looks like what Einstein has predicted in his general theory of relativity. The outer part of black hole, which is glowing, is called as accretion disk. An accretion disk is a structure formed by diffuse material which orbits around the mass central body of a black hole. The point from where the dark part of black hole starts is known as event horizon, which is also known as place of no return, because once you cross the event horizon, the black hole gravity is so strong there that you cannot escape from it. Not even the fastest thing in this universe, light, can escape through it. You would be amazed that the total data recorded in this mission was 27 petabytes.